Hello friends, this is Sushil here and this time it's time for periodic table. Yes, periodic table, a recitation, hopefully under 5 minutes. So there are 118 elements as you might be rightly knowing. The way I'm going to recite them is as follows, which is the first is atomic number followed by the element symbol and then followed by the element name itself. Then go on to the next atomic number and so on. For example, 6 is C carbon, 10 is Ne neon, and so on. So I'm going to close my eyes because when I did the value of pi until 100 digits under 10 under 40 seconds, people said I was looking at the teleprompter and actually reading it, and anyone can do it. So anyone can do it, I agree, but looking at the teleprompter was a lie. So that's why I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to see if I can recite the entire periodic table under 5 minutes. So are we ready? And these are all the memory techniques that I normally cover during my workshop for core memory techniques, as to understand how the brain works, how to build on how the brain works, and then you can memorize basically anything. So this is just one example, in addition to the value of pi plus the various poems that I'm doing as part of celebrating the powerful brain that we all have and focusing on the original intelligence, obviously appreciating the AI, but not relying completely on it, using our own original intelligence, which is our powerful brain. So this whole thing is basically to understand and to keep on sharpening, and it's a muscle. It's a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. So here you go, the periodic table. Without further ado, as they say, let's get started. So 1H hydrogen, 2He helium, 3 Li lithium, B 4 Be beryllium, 5 B boron, 6 C carbon, 7 N nitrogen, 8 O oxygen, 9 F fluorine, 10 Ne neon, 11 Na sodium, 12 Mg magnesium, 13 Air aluminium, 14 Si silicon, 15 is P phosphorus, 16 is S sulfur, 17 is a Cl chlorine, 18 a argon, 19 K potassium, 20 Ca calcium, 21 is Sc scandium, 22 is a Ti titanium, 23 is B vanadium, 24 is a Cr chromium, 25 is a Mn manganese, 26 is Fe ferrium, 27 is Co cobalt, 28 is Ni nickel, 29 is Cu copper, 30 Zn zinc, 31 is Ga gallium, 32 is Ge germanium, 33 is As arsenic, 34 is Sc selenium, 35 is Br bromine, 36 is Kr krypton, 37 is Rb rubidium, 38 is Sr strontium, 39 is Y yttrium, 40 is Zeta zirconium, 41 is Nb niobium, 42 is M molybdenum, 43 is Tc technetium, 44 is Ru ruthenium, 45 is Rh rhodium, 46 is Pd palladium, 47 is Ag silver, 48 is CD cadmium, 49 is iron indium, 50 is Sn tin, 51 is Sb antimony, 52 is Te tellurium, 53 is iodine, 54 is Xc xenon, 55 is Cs cesium, 56 is Ba barium, 57 is La lanthanum, 58 is C cerium, 59 is Pr praseodymium, 60 is Nd neodymium, 61 is Pm promethium, 62 is Sm samarium, 63 is EU europium, 64 is Gd gadolinium, 65 is Tb terbium, 66 is Dy dysprosium, 67 is holmium, 68 is erbium, 69 is Tm thulium, 70 is Yb ytterbium, 71 is Tl 71 is Lu lutetium, 72 is R 72 is Re rhenium, 73 is Ta tantalum, 74 is W tungsten, 75 sorry 72 was Hf hafnium, 73 Ta tantalum, 74 is W tungsten, 75 is Re uranium, 76 is Os osmium, 77 Ir iridium, 78 is Pt platinum, 79 is Au gold, 80 is Ag mercury, 81 is Tl thallium, 82 is Pb lead, 83 is Br bismuth, 84 is Po polonium, 85 is At astatine, 86 is Rn radon, 87 is Fr francium, 88 is Ra radium, 89 is Ac actinium, 90 is Th thorium, 91 is Pa protactinium, 92 is U uranium, 93 is Np neptunium, 94 is Pu plutonium, 95 is 95 is Am americium, 96 is Cm curium, 97 is Bf Bk berkelium, 98 is Cf californium, 99 is Es hystinium, 100 is Fm fermium, 101 is Md mendelevium, 102 is 102 is NO nobelium, 103 is LR lawrencium, 104 is RF rutherfordium, 105 is dbWm, 106 is HS SG seaborgium, 107 is BH borium, 108 is HS hassium, 109 is MT meitnerium, 110 is DS darmstadtium, 111 is RG rongenium, 112 is CN copernicium, 113 is NH nihonium, 114 is FL fluorium, 115 is MC moscovium, 116 is 116 is 116 is LV livermorium, 117 is TS tennicin, and 118 is OG organism. There you go. Periodic table in under 5 minutes, and how to do it is all revealed in my workshops. Happy thinking, happy braining, and see you later in some other shape or form. Thank you. Bye-bye.